Hey everyone! In this video, you will see how to integrate Wisernotify with Amelia to show sales data as real-time social proof pop-up. There are two key steps for this integration. Installing Wisernotify Webhook. Install the Wisernotify WordPress plugin. Let's dive in. Let's install the Wisernotify Webhook. Ensure you have created a sales activity notification. Go to Customize Sales Activity Notification. In the Data Source tab, click on Add Integration. Search for Amelia. Click Integrate, enter a name, and click Create. Copy the webhook URL. Now log in to your Amelia account and go to Settings. Select View Integration Settings. Select Webhook. Click Add New Webhook. Enter a name. Paste the Wisernotify Webhook URL. In Type, select Appointment and select Booking Completed for Action. Now save the changes. Now go back to the Wisernotify app. Close the integration pop-up and make sure to select Amelia in the integration list. Kindly note, the notification will only appear if the selected data source has at least one entry. Now let's install the pixel code via the Wisernotify WordPress plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for Wisernotify. Click Install, then Activate. Next, we'll connect your Wisernotify account. Head over to the Wisernotify plugin in WordPress. It requires adding the API key in Wisernotify plugin. Now log into Wisernotify account. Visit the Install Pixel screen. Find your API key and copy it and go back to the Wisernotify WordPress plugin. Paste the API key here and click Submit. Once you see the success message, the pixel code is automatically added to your site. If you're using a cache plugin, make sure to purge the cache from your caching plugin so the pixel loads properly. Now reload your site a few times to avoid the cache issues, and return to Wisernotify pixel code screen. Click on Verify Pixel Installation to confirm that the pixel code is detected successfully. After integration, once you have new data, it will show new sales activities. If you encounter any issues, refer to our troubleshooting option or contact our live chat support for assistance. That's it! You're all set to display real-time sales data as social proof pop-up.